Hey everybody, it's me again, the old drifter. I told you, here, let me fix this real quick. Can you see my hand? Can't you see me now? Alright, maybe that'll work, I don't know. As you know, my other generator quit. That little Harbour freight generator I had. I tried to look to see how long I actually had it. Couldn't find my receipt, but I write stuff down whenever I get things or fix stuff on the van. I had it 1 year and 9 months, so just shy of 2 years. But $89, that's still not bad. So today, if you've seen my other video, I went and got me another one. So I figured I'd share, I open it up for you, do a unboxing. Better watch swinging this thing around, shouldn't I? Anyway, yeah, I thought I'd open it for you so you can see it. See what you get if you get one. Now, this is just a basic little old generator. You're not going to run your whole RV or camper off of it. You can run like all your lights and your TV and fans and all that, but well, if you got a 12-volt fridge, you can run a battery charger, keep it going. But I'm talking about like air conditioner and I don't know. If you got like a normal house fridge, it ain't gonna run all that at the same time anyway. It's a 900 watt peak. That means startup. Say it's like a refrigerator, like it when it first kicks going. You got 900 peak and then 700 continuous run time or watts, running. I would think now it'll run everything I got because no more everything I got is DC power. So really, all I'm running is just a battery charger. That's pretty much all I do. Now, on my old one, I used to run a TV while I was charging my battery. I go ahead and hook up my big TV I had. I don't have it no more. I do have a big box fan that, I plug it up as I'm charging my batteries and use it. But that's still, it don't pull no power. You can run that thing off a 9-volt battery. But anyhow, let me quit yapping and get this thing open. So, give me just a second here. Pause. It ain't pausing. Listen here now. I said pause. Alright, I went ahead and just cut this box open and everything. But what you're going to find right on top is the instructions. Well, it used to be an owner's manual in there. I don't see an owner's manual no more. But the instructions, you can take it and we don't need that. Foam, we don't need that. Then we get the actual generator. Oh, she's a big one. Down in the bottom, yep, same thing as always. They haven't changed much. And these things, for 89 bucks, you can't beat it. Yeah, mine went out about a year, a year and 9 months. I think it got wet a couple times in a hard rainstorm. But still, for 89 bucks, you can't beat it. I'm not mad at all. But down the bottom of the box, you're going to find a little package with, see little screws in it? That's so you can put this guy on. That's your handle. There it is. And they even give you a handy dandy toolkit. What it consists of, if I can get it out. Comes with a tool to take your spark plug out. And that's another thing. You need to change the spark plug first thing, because what that comes with is junk. It's no good. But you can buy you one at Walmart that'll fit it. And then it comes with a little screwdriver. I don't ever use these things. Cheaply made. They don't last very long. But anyway, you get that. So really, it comes with everything you need to put it together and get it going. Let me get this out of the way, and we'll put the handle on. Let me lay this right here. I'm going to lay it right there. Alright. I'm either getting old or I'm getting fat. Hard for me to bend over. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh. See in top generator, there's two holes right there. That's where your handle goes. Let me get this apart real quick. I know it's not a very good angle, but you kind of understand, well, you know, what you gotta do. So comes with these two little pad things. What they are for, if I don't lose my screw. You take one, see how one side's flat and one side's round? Well, on your handle, one side's flat, one side's round. That's because it goes right there before you put the handle on. That is to eliminate any static electricity, because it screws onto the gas tank, so you do not want any static around the gas tank. So let me get this on real quick. Ooh, I'm burning up. It is warm. Alright, we got that one. Let me see if I can get this one real quick. And nope, because that one decided it's going to fall off. It has to fall off the leaf at least once, or it wouldn't be right. Let's try this again. Simple as that. Screw them down in them holes I showed you. Let me pause this so it don't get too long on you there. I'll finish putting this on. Alright, I got the handle on. I don't know if you can see this or not. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. First thing I'm going to do is get that junky plug out. It's no good. It'll go out on you in about 2 days, so might as well go ahead and change it now. Oh wow, they got that one tight. Goodness gracious. I don't know why they got that so tight for. That's insane. Let me give it another go here. They wouldn't plan on this one coming out. Hang on a second. Man, that was insane. I had to get my toolbox out. Get me a ratchet just to get that thing out of there. That's ridiculous. Whew. They're normally never that tight. I guess whoever put that one in was planning on it when it coming out. Alright. As you see, it comes with a brand new plug. But I've learned from experience, it's called torch. They're junk. They'll foul out about the second day you got it. Generator won't run, you can clean it, and you do whatever you want, it won't run. So you go to Walmart, and it ain't gonna focus, but you can get a plug called Champion. Can you read that? It don't look like it's gonna focus, but it's RN9YC. Get it right there at Walmart. Make sure my gap is right. Now the gap on these are 16. I've been messing with engines long enough. I can eyeball them. Pretty much get it right. But you can get a gap gauge at any part store for like $1. Like I said, I can eyeball them. I can usually get it pretty close. Been doing it so long. But yeah, put this other plug in. Get that old junky one out. Ugh, got dirt in my mouth. Alright. So when you take it out of the box, first thing you do is put the handle on, get that junky plug out, and that's it. Put some gas in it. That's all it is. It's ready to run. Now I like to break them in. This is my second one of this kind I've had, but my third generator I've had. When they're brand new, what you want to do, I like to put about a half tank gas in it and start it up and just don't use it on nothing, just let it idle. Break the engine in. 2 strokes, you normally don't have to do that, but I do it anyway just because I like to. Makes me feel better. So well, Now what's wrong with this crazy thing? There we go. Give me just a second, I got something I need to get. Alright, on this particular generator, the one Harbour Freight calls a tailgater, it's a 2-stroke or 2-cycle. So you gotta mix oil with the gas. You can get it at any Walmart parts store. Now, this one mixes 50-to-1. Most of your bottles come with a little graph on the back, tells you how much to mix. I buy this Pennzoil, this quart. It's $4.97, I think, at Walmart. The only reason I buy it, because it's cheaper. You get more bang for your buck. But they're all about the same. You don't have to buy a name brand. I just get this one because you get a little more for the money. I've already got some gas mixed up, so let me get that poured in here. It even comes with I don't never use it, but it comes with a little measuring cup for mixing your oil. Like I said, I never use it. I guess I should, but I don't. So I got me a little gas here. Pour a little gas in it. Slowly. Slowly. Yes, I know. It's so exciting watching me pour gas. But I can't pour and talk at the same time or I spill it. Yeah, that should be enough. I'm just gonna run it and break it in. Alright. Let me get it turned around here. What you gonna do? Whew. Hey, there's my hand. Grass in the way. The sticker's coming off. Man, I want my money back. Right here's your choke and your run. Now it's going to be kind of hard to start the first time. But what you want to do is push it all the way over the choke. And I pull this handle real slow. About 7 or 8 good times. Just real slow. That primes the carburetor. After it gets running, I pull it back over to run. Whew. Y'all forgive me. Old fat boy sweating. Alright. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on choke. I'm going to pull the handle real slow. It kind of draws gas up in the carburetor. And then I'm going to try to start it. And when it does, I'm going to put it back to run. Not yet. Now it's going to be kind of hard to start the first time, your very first start. Oh yeah, and don't forget to turn it on. Woo. Fat boy sweating. Give me just a second. Alright, I got it running. I do a little work to it. As you can see it right there, I've got it running, idling. Gonna let it break in. It's hot out here. No joke, it's hot. But yeah, I do a little work on that one. I guess from the factory, I'm kind of embarrassed. It took me a minute to figure it out, but they didn't hook the fuel line up. On your fuel tank, you got where you shut the gas on and off. I turned it on. I primed it, or I thought I was priming it. And I cranked and cranked and cranked. So I checked, first thing, you know, I checked to see if the spark plug was sparking, which it was. I held it, pulled the rope, it shocked the crap out of me. I thought, well, then it's got to be gas. So I went to pull the fuel line off to see if it was getting gas. Fuel line wasn't even on it. They had some kind of little plug over the spout there. Fuel line was laying down in there, but it wasn't on. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. So anyway, no big deal. 5 seconds, I stuck it on there. Maybe the air it's running. Started up about the third pull. So what I'm gonna do, after I sit here and sweat to death for a little bit, I'm gonna let that run about an hour. Well, 40 minutes, hour, something like that. Let it get warm, get hot as it's gonna get. I'm gonna shut it off and let it cool down. I'm gonna start it back up again, let it run, get up temperature. I'm gonna put it under load and use it. So that's it. That's pretty simple. Go to Harbour Freight, get you one. Put your handle on. It comes with the tools you need to put the handle on. Take the measuring cup out of the gas tank. Change that spark plug. Be sure to do that because it won't be about 2 days you'll be doing it. You can go to Walmart and get one. It's a Champion RN9YC, I think what it is. I said. I'm sure. But anyway, Walmart's got it. Let's see. Put that in. Add some gas. I guess evidently make sure the fuel line's on. But turn your gas on right there at the tank. And pull that rope about 5-6 times, just real slow. What that's doing is drawing gas down the carburetor for the first time. Make sure it's on choke. Give her a hard pull, she'll fire right up. Yeah. Anyway, I hope that helps a little bit. It's a great generator. Now it's not massive. It's not going to run everything you got. But as far as charging batteries, running some fans, a few lights, it's awesome. You know, actually, some people say theirs wouldn't. Mine will. Mine actually run a 5,000 BTU window air conditioner. It's strange. That's all it wants. That's all. You can't even hook a light up. But mine would do it. So I don't know. Maybe I just got lucky and got a good one. But as far as the van goes, that's all you need. That little thing's awesome. But anyway, I hope that helps. Hope you're having a great day. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.